In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front bumper on this BMW 550i. Let's get into it. We're going to pop this panel up. I'm just using a trim tool. Just get underneath. Just a plastic trim tool works. It's just clipped in. Pop that up. We're going to take these screws off up top. I'm going to use a T30 socket. We're going to remove this shield. Use a Phillips head screwdriver. Take these screws out. And the screws may stay with the panel. Just got to loosen them up. Slide that down. We're going to remove this panel. Use an 8mm socket. Take these screws out. And pull that down. There is a couple clips on the inside. Just pop those down. And do the same on the other side. We're going to take these screws out. Use a 8mm socket. That one up top. Using a 10mm socket, take this bolt out. You can grab the inner fender well, just pull that back. Underneath here, there's two screws. We're going to take those out, use a 8mm socket. Then there's a bracket right here. This is going to slide inwards, and then you can slide that off. And you can see near the headlight, the bracket's attached right there. So we want to pull this back a little bit and pull that out of that headlight area right there. That's good. And then you're going to do the same on the other side. Underneath here, there's two screws, one on each side. We're going to use a T25 socket. Take these screws out. Pull the bumper cover forward. Now you have some wires. Disconnect the fog light connectors. Just push down on the tab. Slide that off. And on the passenger side, there's another connector. You would disconnect that. Push on the tabs. Slide that off and disconnect the fog light as well. You can try to do this in the vehicle before you pull the bumper cover down if you want. And it slides right out. Get the bumper lined up. We're going to connect those connectors. And a fog light connector. Plug that in. That's good. Do the same on the other side. And get this lined up. have to wiggle it a little. And get these sides lined up. If you need to, you can use a trim tool. Just push these in. Got clips in place. That's good. And take these screws, get these started. I'll tighten these down. Take the inner fender well, get that lined up. Take this larger bolt. It's going to go right there. Snug that down. Now we're going to put these screws back in for the inner fender well. Get them all started first, and we'll tighten them down. Now tighten those down. These screws under here, get those started. And tighten those down. Take these panels. Lined up on the side. The screws started. Snug these down. Take this shield. Push that in position. All right. There you go, snug those down. There we go. There we go. Snug those down and put the screws in up top. Tighten these down. Take this cover, get this lined up, clip it in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.